guys, welcome to my English channel. Today I'm going to talk about a subject that I love, which is skincare products and preparing your skin for your makeup, which is very important. A lot of people don't know the order, what you should do before you apply your makeup. Some people just literally wake up and put their foundation on without, really preparing the skin for it. And then you wonder why your skin gets so dry or so oily. So it's really important, that process before you actually apply the first makeup product on your face. It's very important to take a little time to clean your face and apply the right product. And when I say the right product, is mainly a nice moisturizer. If you have dry or oily skin, you should use a moisturizer before your foundation or your BB cream or your concealer. Okay, so today I'm going to show you my top 4 moisturizers to use before your foundation. And these moisturizers are moisturizers that works with all skin types, oily, combination, and dry. So I really hope you like it, and let's get started. So before I even get to the products, I just wanted to do a little quick recap. I've talked about this on other videos, but since we're talking about moisturizer and the subject of preparing your skin for your makeup, I just want to quickly say the steps that you should take before applying your makeup. So first thing you should do is wash your face. If it's during the morning or at night, you should always wash your face with some soap or scrub. And then if you want, you can apply a little bit of toner to control the oiliness during the day. And then that's when the moisturizer comes in. So then I know a lot of people like to use sunscreen on their daily basis. Usually BB creams, if you're using a BB cream as a foundation, the BB cream already has sunscreen, but I know a lot of people like to use the actual sunblock sunscreen before they apply the makeup. And I know a lot of people have that question, what comes first, the moisturizer or the sunscreen? You could do either one, but researchers say that applying your sunscreen on top of your moisturizer, the chemics that has on the moisturizer may make it less effective. So the ideal would be applying your sunscreen first, wait about a minute or so, and then you apply your moisturizer. So that's the highlight of today's video. Which moisturizers will be best before your makeup? And that's what I'm gonna show you right now. I love moisturizing my face. I feel such a difference. My skin just glows, and if you have oily skin, don't be scared to put your moisturizer on, because it is gonna control oiliness. It may not seem like it will, but it's gonna control the oiliness on your face. And sometimes your skin is dehydrated, and that's why it gets so oily. So always use a moisturizer. Just try to find a good one that works for your skin, does not irritate it, and I think you will be fine with it. And your skin, your foundation, your makeup, it's gonna last a lot longer as well. So the moisturizers that I'm gonna show you are really 4 options that I love a lot. Some of these I have used for many years. There is one of them that I just found out like a month ago and I have been loving. And I really think and I really hope that you guys are gonna like it because they're really great products. So the first one is this famous yellow gel moisturizer by Clinique. They actually have a lotion and a gel. I like the gel better because it's lighter, and because I'm gonna use makeup on top of it, I always kind of go for the lighter moisturizer. So the gel, and because I'm combination too, I kind of get oily on the T-zone, so the gel is a bit lighter for me. And if you have oily skin, go with the gel. If you have dry skin, go with the lotion. But this product became really famous in the market because it was known for a perfect moisturizer before your foundation. And I've started using this I don't know, since I started doing makeup, I use this, and I always buy it again. And I like to use it during summer, especially because it's very, very light. And I'm gonna show you the texture of it. And the great thing about this moisturizer is that, actually about all Clinique products, is that it does not have a smell, a scent, and it's great for people that have very sensitive skin. So I really love it, and I do recommend it very much. And this moisturizer you can usually find at Sephora, department stores like Macy's, Lord & Taylor, Nordstrom, etc. This next one is a very popular makeup artists love this product, and I actually bought it because I saw it with many makeup artists, like famous makeup artists using it. They were doing my makeup and I saw it, and then I will see it again, I'll see it again, and I'm like, what is this? I need to try it. And everyone would talk really well about this moisturizer. It's the Embryolisse Le Crème, and it's amazing. It's a French brand that just created this awesome moisturizer, and I have to say that it is one of the best moisturizers I have ever used. So when I saw it first, I got a little scared because it is very milky and the texture is a bit, it seems like it's gonna be a heavy moisturizer, but it's not. It's very, very light on the skin, and you get surprised like when you apply it and you put your makeup on top, your skin just glows, and it promises to really hydrate your skin all day. So the texture is like this. As you can see, it's very milky looking, and it deeply, deeply hydrates your skin. Sorry about my swatches from earlier. I started using this like about 4 or 5 months ago, and I've gone through like, this is the 3rd bottle actually. And I just love it, guys. I love it so, so much. I've talked about it in many videos already, favorites and stuff, because I really, really like it, and I see a difference on my skin. If you have really oily skin, maybe I'll say, if you're scared about it, I'll say go with this one by Clinique if you have really sensitive skin as well. But otherwise, I would definitely recommend this. And it does not have a scent either, and it's super, super neutral. So the only downside about this is that it's not as easy to find. You will find at some Sephoras, a lot of stores don't have it, they only have it online. And in New York, here in New York, you can find it at Ricky's stores. So some like hair, nail stores, you will find it, but not everywhere. So online it's easier to find, but in actual stores it's a little bit harder. This next product is by Neutrogena. It's a more affordable option for you guys, and it's really great. It's the Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's very light. It's a gel. They have a cream as well, but I like the gel better for what we're talking about, using before your makeup. It's very light. It has a little color, blue, and it does have a scent. So if you have sensitive skin, I recommend you try a little bit before. I don't know how, but go to the store and ask to try it first before buying it, because I'm not sure if it'll irritate your skin. But it's very, very light. You don't even feel like you have anything on. It's so light. It is a little bit refreshing on the skin, so I really liked it. I used it a few times before my makeup, and it looks great. So there's another option for you guys, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And this you can find at any drugstores, Target, CVS, Walgreens, pretty much anywhere you find this product. Ulta Beauty as well. So this last moisturizer that I'm gonna talk to you guys about, it has a funny story behind it, because I ran out of my Embryolisse and I was gonna go out on a trip, and I was like crazy looking for it. Sephora's didn't have it, and this is like my favorite of the moment. I have like my favorites of the moment, but and since it's winter, this is what worked best for me. So I was like addicted to it, and that's the only thing I wanted to use, the Embryolisse. And I ran out of it before a trip, and I'm like, okay, so now I guess I have to look for something else, because it wouldn't, buying it online, it wouldn't get to my house on time. So I went to Sephora and I asked one of the girls that worked there if they had something similar to Embryolisse, which is my, loved one. And she recommended this Origins Ginseng moisturizer. And I'm like, okay, when I saw oranges, I'm like, oh, it might be good because oranges usually makes, you know, really amazing products, especially for the skin. But I had never heard of it. And I'm like, okay, I'm really gonna trust you on this, you know, and I'm like really crazy about my skin, guys. And like even like a moisturizer, it may not seem like, wow, you're really making a big deal out of it, but it's not. It really because I like to take care of my skin, and I feel the difference. Like the right moisturizer really makes a difference for me. So I went and I bought it, and I got home, I used it before my makeup, and I just loved it so much. And I was so happy that I ran out of my Embryolisse because I found a new product that's amazing. And that's what I'm using since then. I got my Embryolisse, but I have been using this since I got it, and it's really nice. When you put it on your face, it seems like you're at the spa. Like it's really citric and it's fresh on your skin. It's very light as well, and the texture is very like jelly. It's super light on, and it's making my skin look glowy and beautiful. And I have been using it not only before my makeup, but just when I wake up and at night as well before I go to sleep, just to give a hydrating boost to my skin. And it's called the ginseng, like I said, and it's an energy boosting moisturizer. So it's supposed to really deeply hydrate your skin, and I have been loving it, and I really recommend it to you guys because it's great, and I'm sure you will like it too, especially now for summer. I think I'll be using this a lot. So yeah, those are my top 4 moisturizers. I know I talked a lot, but I think I hope I said everything, all the important things I needed to say. And yeah, guys, I really do recommend that you take care of your skin and do use a moisturizer before your makeup. It's gonna make such a difference. And do it and let me know if you don't use it yet. Try it, let me know what you think and if you saw a difference on your skin, okay? So yeah, before we go, I wanna teach you a Portuguese word, of course. Today I'm gonna teach you how to say before, because we're using moisturizers before your makeup. So in Portuguese, you say antes. Repeat with me, antes. Really hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to leave your comments, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.